The Alpine iLX-W650, a head unit that's been generating quite the buzz in the car audio enthusiast community. But here's what surprised me, it's not just for audiophiles. It's also packed with features that'll make your daily commute more convenient and enjoyable. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today. Now, let's dive into what makes this head unit stand out from the rest. The Alpine iLX-W650 boasts a 10-inch capacitive touchscreen display that's both sleek and responsive. Therefore, navigating through its various features is a breeze. But here's where things get interesting. It also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the head unit. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the key features that'll make this head unit worth considering. 10-inch capacitive touchscreen display. Supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Dual-zone audio capability, independent music control and front seats. Pre-installed navigation system with lifetime maps update. Compatible with most smartphones, including iOS and Android devices. Now let's take a closer look at the navigation system. The Alpine iLX-W650 comes equipped with a pre-installed navigation system that offers turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic updates. Therefore, you'll never get lost on your daily commute again. But here's what might surprise you. This head unit also supports voice commands, allowing you to control the navigation system hands-free. But before we dive any deeper, let's address one of the most common concerns with car audio systems: compatibility issues. Therefore, rest assured that the Alpine iLX-W650 is designed to work seamlessly with your existing vehicle's sound system. But what about aftermarket installations? Don't worry. This head unit comes equipped with a built-in amplifier and supports up to 4 channels of external amplification. Now, let's talk about one of the most significant advantages of the Alpine iLX-W650. Its dual-zone audio capability. Therefore, you can control the music independently in the front seats, allowing each passenger to enjoy their own personalized audio experience. But here's what might surprise you. This head unit also supports multiple audio sources, including USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary inputs. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the pros and cons of the Alpine iLX-W650. Pros: sleek and responsive 10-inch capacitive touchscreen display. Supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. Dual-zone audio capability, independent music control and front seats. Pre-installed navigation system with lifetime maps update. Compatible with most smartphones, including iOS and Android devices. Cons: no wireless charging support. Limited customization options for the dashboard layout. Some users have reported issues with the head unit's touchscreen sensitivity. Now that we've covered some of the key features and pros and cons of the Alpine iLX-W650, let's talk about who this product is best suited for. Therefore, if you're a car audio enthusiast looking to upgrade your existing sound system or a commuter seeking a convenient and enjoyable driving experience, then this head unit might be just what you need. But here's what I want to leave you with. The Alpine iLX-W650 is more than just a head unit, it's an experience. Therefore, don't just buy it, experience it for yourself. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description and get your hands on one today. Remember, when you're looking to upgrade your car audio system, you want something that'll not only provide exceptional sound quality but also make your daily commute more enjoyable and convenient. Therefore, don't settle for anything less. Choose the Alpine iLX-W650 and experience the difference for yourself.